Let's explore the company page in Tradomate 1 in this video. Let's search for, say, Maruti. When we click here, it will redirect us to the company page of Maruti Suzuki. The price of Maruti is 12,840. This is the percent change as of today. We have selected NSE. On the right hand side, you'll see the top high impact news for Maruti Suzuki. This is the day range and the 52-week range for Maruti. And here you'll see three different tabs: Overview, Financials and News. Let's see all of them one by one. In Overview, we'll have two different tabs. The first one is percent change and the second one is technicals. In percent change, we have the price change of Maruti for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year and year to date. If you scroll down, this is the candlesticks chart of Maruti Suzuki. Feel free to change the intervals of the candlesticks, and if you want to add some indicators, you can actually add any indicators out here. On the left hand side, there are different options for you to play around with different tools of this chart. Let's go to the next tab, which is technicals. Over here, you'll see the 6 most important technical indicators for Maruti Suzuki, which is the 50-day SMA, 200-day SMA, RSI, 10-day VWAP, MACD, and latest day volume. Let's go to financials. Here, the first section is on the financial ratios. We have ratios like profitability ratios, liquidity, leverage, coverage, efficiency, valuation, and market performance. In the financial statements, you'll see 4 different tabs: income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and holding patterns. Over here, you can just click on the grid view to look at the actual numbers, or if you're only interested to see it in the graphical format, click on this button. For this video, I will select the grid version, which is this one. Here we have 2 options for income statement: annual and quarterly. Scroll it till the end to see the last quarter numbers of income statement for Maruti Suzuki. The second one is balance sheet. You can see the balance sheet numbers for last 6 years for Maruti Suzuki. If you go to cash flow statement, we have things like cash flow from financing, cash flow from investing, and cash flow from operations. But the last and not the least, which is holding patterns. Actually, for holding patterns, I like to see it in the graphical format like this one. You can see that the promoter holding has been stagnant for Maruti Suzuki for last 3-4 quarters, but you can see a decrease in the FII holding for Maruti Suzuki for last a few quarters, in fact last few years. This can be a very good insight for you for Maruti Suzuki. Now let's go to the next tab, which is news. These are all the news only of Maruti Suzuki. You can see that the sentiment is positive for a lot of these news, and this might be one of the reasons why the price of Maruti went up today. Feel free to read any of these news by clicking on it and going through the AI generated summary for your detailed analysis.